Hey, Jessica here again. Now let's check out how to add staff in the best software out there, SincA. We're back on the dashboard. Click on the HRM section from the left sidebar and choose Employee Registration. Start by adding the first name. Let's type Jessica. Last name to K, gender female, and date of birth. You can also include other details like qualifications, address, email, mobile number, blood group, but I'll skip those for now. Next, choose the job title for your staff. If the title you need isn't listed, just click on the plus icon to add a new one. Let's say Manager, then click Add. You can now enter more details like the joining date, employee ID, and assign specific powers. If the staff member is allowed to make invoices, just switch this toggle on. There are also optional settings like salary, working hours, and attendance. You can enable or disable attendance tracking as needed. You affect any important documents here if you want. And once everything's filled out, just click Save. To confirm it's added, click Back, then go to the employee list. And done! Your staff member has been added successfully. See how easy it is to add a team member using SincA? Coming up next, how to add your suppliers. Stay tuned.